Welcome to the wonderful world of Python. No, not the slithery kind, but the programming language that's as friendly as your favorite pet. Python is a high-level interpreted language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, versatile, powerful, and easy to use. Why Python, you ask? Well, it's used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and much more. Plus, its simple syntax makes it super easy to learn. Think of it as the beginner's guide to programming languages, but with the potential to do just about anything. Ready to dive in? Let's start our journey with Python. Installing Python and setting up the environment. Before we can start coding, we need to get Python up and running on your computer. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, head over to the official Python website and download the latest version. Trust me, it's not like downloading an update for your favorite game. This one's quick and painless. Second, follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, we've got you covered. Third, set up an integrated development environment, or IDE, like PyCharm, VS Code, or Jupyter Notebook. Think of an IDE as your coding command center, everything you need in one place. And just like that, you're all set to start coding in Python. Time to write your very first Python program. It's the programming equivalent of saying your first word. Spoiler alert, it's going to be hello world. First, open your IDE or a text editor. Second, type this code, Python print hello world. Third, save the file with appy extension. Now run it and watch the magic happen. Congratulations, you've just written your first Python program. Doesn't it feel great? Let's keep that momentum going. Let's get to know Python's basic syntax and data types. Python is like that friend who speaks clearly and concisely. No need for complicated jargon here. First, variables and data types. In Python, you don't need to declare variables before using them. It's like diving straight into a conversation without small talk. Here are some examples. Python name =Alice. Age =25 is _student True second. Basic operations. Python can handle basic arithmetic comparisons and logical operations like a pro. Check this out. Sum =10 plus 5. Difference =10, 5. Product =10 5. Quotient =10 fifths. Simple, right? Let's move on to something a bit more interesting. Life is full of decisions, and so are our programs, conditional statements. Python helps us make those decisions with if, elif, and else statements. Here's how. Python age =18 if age =18. Print, you are an adult. Elif age =12. Print, you are a teenager. Else age =13. Print, you are a child. Just like choosing what to watch on Netflix, Python checks conditions and makes decisions accordingly. Loops are like your favorite playlist on repeat. They keep going until you hit stop. Python offers two main types, for and while loops. Here's the scoop. 1. For loops are perfect for iterating over a sequence, like a list or a range of numbers. For example, Python for I in range 5, print I. 2. While loops run as long as a specified condition is true. For example, count =0 while count 5, print count plus =1 loops make repetitive tasks a breeze. Let's keep the fun going with more Python magic. All right, Pythonistas, you've made it this far and you're doing great. But wait, there's more. Just when you thought you had Python all figured out, we're diving into the advanced stuff. But before we do, let me introduce you to something special. If you're loving this journey through Python, you'll be thrilled about my course, Foundations of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. This course is your ultimate guide to AI and ML, covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Here are some key lessons you'll explore. Introduction to AI and ML. Understand the fundamentals and historical context. Building neural networks. Hands-on projects to create your own neural networks. Real-world AI applications. See how AI is transforming industries like healthcare and finance. Ethics in AI. Learn about the ethical considerations and challenges in AI. Plus, you'll earn a certificate of completion to showcase your new skills. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Check out my course and start your AI and ML adventure today. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the advanced topics. Who's ready to level up? Advanced Python topics. Ever heard of the saying, work smarter, not harder? Well, Python functions and modules are here to make your coding life easier. Think of functions as little helpers that perform specific tasks and modules as toolboxes full of ready-to-use tools. Functions and modules. Functions example, Python def greet, name, return, hello, plus name print, greet Alice. Working with data structures. Python's data structures are like the containers in your kitchen, but way cooler. We have lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. They help you organize and store data efficiently. Lists example, Python fruits =, apple, banana, cherry. Print, fruits 0. File handling. Need to read or write a file? Python's got your back. It's like having a superpower to manage all your data files. Here's an example. With open example txt.w as file. Introduction to data science with Python. Data is the new oil, they say, and with Python you can become a data wizard. NumPy and pandas are your magic wands for data manipulation and analysis. Python import numpy as np r =, np array 1 2 3 4 5 print ar. Data visualization. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially in data science. Matplotlib and Seaborn help you create stunning visualizations that tell us stories. Python import matplotlib.pyplot as plt.plot 1 2 3 4 plt.I label numbers plt.show. Machine learning. Ready to make your computer smarter? With scikit-learn, you can build models that predict outcomes based on data. It's like giving your computer a crystal ball for predictions. Python import, sklearn linear model import, linear regression, model =, linear regression. Deep learning with TensorFlow and PyTorch. Now for the real magic of deep learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch let you build and train neural networks. It's like creating your own mini-brain. Python import TensorFlow as tf model class tef.keras.models. Sequential. Practical projects. Time to put it all into practice. Let's tackle some real-world problems and build projects that showcase your newfound skills. Instead of predicting house prices, how about creating a recommendation system for movies or products? This is not only valuable, but also highly applicable in various industries. And there you have it, our roadmap to mastering Python from basics to advanced AI and ML. Ready to embark on this adventure? Thank you for following along. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more exciting content. Follow us for the latest updates and tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected and keep learning.